Let's get to Jim and Stop Trading.
Talk about stocks that have come down so much that maybe they can bounce. Take a look at McCormick. Okay, so McCormick spikes down $1.40, yields 2.69%, still has 22 PE. But Brendan Foley did a good job. The miss was not because of volume. It was just because of, let's say, they have China. They had some problems, and I think that that's a company that could be due for a bounce if we get a Pepsi bounce. I do think that there's money rotating to the areas that are not participating. That's a different kind of money that I'm talking about being made in terms of like the Jensen money. When we see Jensen at 1, there are amazing people who the cynicism about how great we are is really disabling. Both parties participate in the idea that we're just not great.
You don't think that they're looking at the behavior of gold or the dollar and thinking there's some anxiety?
No, you're absolutely. Look, there has to be anxiety given the fact that there's $37 trillion in debt. That's why I say, listen, you have to own gold. But I just want people to not be blind to the idea of the wealth creation that we talk about that Michael Dell is doing right now, that Lisa Su is doing right now. And it's not like they're saying you can't have this. They're saying you can have it, but you insist on being just an index funds. I'm sorry. I wish I could help you, but I'm just one of 500. Right. These people are not 1 of 500. There are some people, just like Orwell, some of them are more equal than others.
Right. We can't wait for 4 o'clock.
Oh, well, I'm so excited today.
Yeah. You thinking about?
My daughter texted me. She said, don't take any wooden nickels. There's something my father used to say before I went to school every morning. But it's to the point everyone just wants to know. And it's going to be a little more celebratory than it is going to be investigative.
Sure. Yeah, of course. And is it here?
It's here.
Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome.
And what can I say? I am in awe of him. I know you're not supposed to be. I know we're all critical reporters who grew up I grew up in the Woodward and Bernstein era, but some people transcend that.
Well, they did say follow the money.
Yes, they did.
Yeah, that's
follow
right.
the money.
Jim, we'll see you this afternoon
so
and tonight. By the way, CNBC.com/monthly meeting.
Yes.
If you want to be a part of it.
I mean, come on, stop it already.